Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you my idea to use this flower and leaf to make a table centerpiece. The detail about how to put on the phone and how to make the stand like this. You can click here for the old tutorial. I don't repeat the procedure here. Okay, now let's starting with the flower arrangement. Okay, first of all, we need to use some leaf or leaf vine. Actually, any small leaf to cover the floral foam. Okay, then our palm leaf. Look, put a short stem. Sometimes we will use long stem. Since there are iron wire inside, so we can bend. Okay, then insert on the foam will be okay. Okay, almost completed. Then let's put on some small leaf to fill the gap. Okay, let's hang the bubble on the phone holder. Okay, completed. Let's check the effect. Look, this is the whole effect. Make a table runner with some greenery and flower on the table will be much more pretty. Okay, let's zoom in for the detail. This idea will not suggest to use a lot of flower. Just make it simple. Will be much more pretty. Let's zoom in for the detail. Look. Very simple. Very elegant. Okay, this is today's tutorial. If you like this idea, please buy me a cent as supporting. I will use this money to buy more material and take more video. Thank you for your watching. Bye.